Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Yelp app not showing nearby restaurants. So if this is currently happening to you, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix that. All you need to do is open the Yelp app like this. Once you've done that, head over to the bottom right corner of your screen, app more, then scroll a little bit down till you find settings right here. Then click on Location Services and click on Location Settings right here. Once you've done that, once you're basically at this screen, click on Location, and all you need to do is make sure that location is set to always and make sure that precise location is enabled, and you should be already good to go. What you can now also simply do is click on My Locations, and it's really important that you type in your primary location, your location you are currently living at or where you're currently resonating. So just type in your location, it's really easy. And once you've done that, you should be good to go. And now you should start seeing restaurants from basically nearby you. And yeah, that's all you need to do. If you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.